How to pay Edward Jones credit card. Follow these instructions. Log into your Edward Jones credit card account at go.edwardjonescreditcard.com using your username and password. From the dashboard, click Transfer or Make a Payment to start the payment process for your current balance. Choose whether to pay the minimum, statement balance, or full balance depending on your preference. Select your linked bank account or add a new one by entering your routing and account numbers. Enter the payment amount and choose a payment date, same day or schedule for a future date. Review your payment details carefully, then click Submit to authorize the payment securely. Wait for the confirmation message or email and monitor your account to ensure the payment is processed. Thank you for watching.